Looking to improve the delivery experience for your customers? Introducing delivery time slots for WooCommerce, a smart solution that lets shoppers select their preferred delivery time at checkout. It helps reduce missed deliveries, increase customer satisfaction, and streamline your logistics. First, go to WooCommerce, Delivery Time Slots, Settings. Check the box Enable Delivery Date and Time. This will activate the time slot selector on your checkout page. Now go to your store's checkout page. You'll see a new section called Delivery Time Slots, where customers can choose the date and time for their delivery. If you want to simplify the process, go back to Settings and enable the option Enable Expected Delivery. This shows customers the estimated delivery date instead of requiring time slot selection. Navigate to the Time Slots tab. Here you can create custom time slots such as 8 a.m. to 10 a.m., 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Finally, use the Holidays tab to block out dates when delivery is unavailable. You can set recurring holidays, like weekends, or special days like national holidays, and store breaks. With delivery time slots for WooCommerce, you give your customers more control and convenience while keeping your delivery process organized and efficient. Try it now and deliver with confidence.